Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 6th, 2023. I'm here at Brickman Plaza Marina. I'm at Taia right now. Before I show you the cleaning of the video, I do have 3 areas of concern where it looks like the paint is peeling. There's 3 considerably large spots there, so I want to show you that real quick. So it looks like the paint is peeling. These 3 spots are the only 3 spots that I've seen on the starboard side of the boat, but you can definitely see the fiberglass underneath the paint. Just wanted to get a little bit of video so you guys knew.